All right, so you've probably heard someone say, add some herbs and spices for flavor. But have you ever wondered, what actually is the difference between a herb and a spice? Let's start simple. Herbs are the leafy bits. Think basil, parsley, mint. If you can pluck it from a green stem and sprinkle it fresh onto your pasta, you're dealing with a herb. Spices, on the other hand, are the parts that aren't leafy. Roots, seeds, bark, or berries. Like cinnamon, that's bark. Peppercorns, berries. Turmeric, that's a root. So, if it's green and leafy, call it a herb. If it's any other bit of plant, you're firmly in spice territory. But here's where it gets fun. Some plants pull double duty. Coriander, for example. The leaves are a herb, coriander leaf or cilantro if you're being American, but the seeds are a spice. Same plant, totally different taste, and chefs treat them like completely separate ingredients. Now, you might think it's a technicality, but it matters. Herbs are usually added fresh or at the very end of cooking, so you keep those delicate aromas. Spices, though, are often dried, ground, and tossed in early, because they need a bit more heat to unlock their full flavour. So next time you're rummaging through your kitchen, you'll know. The difference between herbs and spices isn't just botanical snobbery. It's a genuine way to unlock the best flavours in your food. And if you ever forget, just ask yourself, leafy or not? You'll never look at your spice rack the same way again.